Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and this time our vlog will feature my trip to Semarang during the fasting month of Ramadan. And for the first part, I will bring you on a brief trip to Semarang Tawang Train Station. Okay, I started my trip from BLITAR train station, and I bought an economy class ticket of Brantas train from Blitar to Semarang for 160,000 rupiahs. And from Blitar station, the train stopped at some stations such as Tulungagung, Kediri, Kertosono, Madiun, Ngawi, Solo, and Semarang Tawang. And this time I arrived at Ngawi station at 3:42 p.m. Indonesian Western Time, and then continued to Walikukun station in Ngawi, still in Ngawi. And you can see the iconic building. This station has an iconic building that is a brand new design, and you'll find the similar design at most stations in the western part cities of Jawa Timur or East Java province. After Walikukun, the train straight forward to the city of Solo and stopped at Solo Jebres station. It was 4:47 p.m. Indonesian Western Time, and the train doesn't went on to Solo Balapan station because it went straight to north towards Semarang. From Solo Jebres, there's one more station before Semarang Tawang, and it was Station Gundi, and I didn't have any idea where the Gundi station is located. In what city? Because in Google Maps you can find that Gundi station is located at Grobogan Regency or Grobogan City, but some passengers told me that Gundi station is located at Purwodadi Regency of Central Java or Jawa Tengah. And if you guys know that where is the Gundi station located at or what city, please you can just tell me or write down at the comment section, okay? So I arrived at Gundi station at 5:37 p.m. and it was the time for breaking the fast. So I break my fast at on the train on board. Okay. And after Gundi station, finally I arrived at Semarang, and this is the view of Semarang city right before the arrival at Semarang Tawang station. And finally, I arrived at Semarang Tawang Train Station at 7:18 p.m. Indonesian Western Time. And you can hear in the background that some Japanese music was played to welcome the passenger here in station in Semarang Tawang Train Station. This is the waiting room of Semarang Tawang Station, and it was quite convenient, I think, because you can also charge your gadget here or buy some foods and coffee from the food stalls, and also you can buy it from the departure lobby. This is the departure lobby, and you can also buy food and souvenirs here in the departure lobby of Semarang Tawang Train Station. And this is the view of Semarang Tawang Train Station from the exterior. And you can see that it was a huge and exotic building built from the Dutch colonialization era. And you can see in the front of the Semarang Tawang Station there's a large pond, and it is called Polder Tawang. The people call this Polder Tawang. This is some kind of water reservoir that was built to reduce the damage caused by flood, because flood happens so often in this area. And especially during the heavy rain season, and we can see there's a statue right in the middle of the polder. It is the statue of Bung Karno, the first president of Indonesia, and it was built. The statue was built just a few years ago, I think, and you can see also this monument of the train loco. So this is my journey and review of Semarang Tawang Station in Semarang, Central Java or Jawa Tengah. See you on the next travel vlog, and don't forget to subscribe.